Facebook is expanding Messenger's screen sharing capability, first available on desktop, to the iOS and Android mobile apps. Users can share their screen with other people one-on-one or in a group video call with up to 8 participants. Here's how to start a video call with screen sharing in Facebook Messenger. Start a video call in the Messenger app by selecting one or more contacts. Click at camera icon at top right. Swipe up on the toolbar at the bottom during the call, which brings up an expanded menu. From the expanded menu, tap Share Your Screen and begin screen sharing. Users can share a live view of their screen for others to see, which will show participants in the chat everything the user is doing on their mobile device.